to Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, and the subject is English. And the chapter is 1.6, and the name of the chapter is The Peacock and the Crane. So here we will see the story. Between the small story, it is the peacock and the crane. So here is a peacock. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Here the word conceited means he thinks that he is the best at everything. So here is the peacock. He used to think that he is a very gorgeous, and he has a tail, very beautiful tail also, none other than the bird. So when he met a crane one day, what happens? The peacock met a crane. So the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless. What do you mean by the scoffed? The scoffed word means to speak about somebody. That means he was speaking about somebody, the peacock. And he was talking with the crane's colorless and the dull feathers, and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. What happens here? The peacock was comparing with his tail and the dull feathers with the cranes. So here there was a comparisons between the peacock and the crane. So the word here, the scoffed, means to speak about somebody. So one day this was happening between the peacock and the crane. So the peacock suddenly started showing a beautiful feathers that was a very colorful. Now then what happens? When he looked at my feathers, he boasted, how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. Now here the peacock was saying with the crane that, see, look at my feathers, how it is very beautiful and how it is shining, that the colors like the colors of the rainbow, and look your tail is very dull. So here what happens? While yours are so pale, pale means having skin that is light in color. He was comparing with the crane's feather. So now what happens? Now I am dressed like a king. That is true, the crane answered. Now the crane has given reply to the peacock that he was dressing like a king. He looks like a king. So that was the true things the peacock was saying. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth. Now the crane was saying with the peacock that I can fly very very high above the sky, and he can go through the clouds also and with the stars also, and he can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. So while you live down here just like any other cock, he was comparing with the peacock that he can fly high, but the peacock only can do anything that on the ground only, that is like other cock. So fine feathers don't make fine birds. So here is the small lessons we have seen, that it was comparison between the peacock and the crane. So at the last the crane has told, it doesn't mean that you have the fine feathers that you makes a fine birds. It doesn't mean. So in this way crane have given the reply to the peacock. So this was a very small story between the peacock and the crane conversation. Thank you so much. I hope so all the points are clear.